Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Tecno phone guys pin lock password full setting, how to set up pin lock password on Tecno mobile. So friends, you want to set pin lock password on your lock screen, means guys 4-digit password friends you want to set. So open your phone setting, security setting friends, click here. After security setting friends, click on screen lock setting. Friends, click here pin lock, and guys next option enter guys pin password. So friends, I will use 4 3 2 1, and friends don't do any mistake, be careful. If you do mistake you will have to reset your Tecno mobile. Next option 4 3 2 1, same pin again, enter, confirm, done option. Friends come back, friends lock your Tecno phone screen, and friends you want to unlock your phone. Friends enter your pin password lock 4 3 2 1. So 4 4 3 2 1, enter. So like that friends, we can set 4-digit password on lock screen Tecno mobile. And friends, you want to change your lock screen 4-digit password, open your phone setting again, security setting, screen lock setting, and friends enter your pin password lock. Next option again pin, next option, and friends you want to change your pin password lock, enter your new password. So friends, I will use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. With this 10-digit password guys, I will use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So friends, you can set 10-digit password also, and friends you can see password will change like 4 to 10 digit. So friends, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 phone unlock. So like that friends, you can set up your pin lock password. Friends, you want to set 4-digit password, 5 6 7-digit password you can set. And friends, you don't want to use your pin lock password setting, friends click on security setting, screen lock setting, enter your password, next swipe option, and remove guys, your password will remove. And friends, you cannot use your pin lock password, your 4-digit and 10-digit password you can swipe, you can unlock phone without any password. So like that friends, we can set up 4-digit means pin lock password on Tecno mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.